Hello, thanks so much for coming by to Facerobics. It's Peta here. Today we're going to be talking about the first exercise in Exercise Along With Me Series 6. Now, you've got to Series 6. I want to tell you, if you've got this far, you are absolutely awesome. Absolutely, fully awesome person for getting this far. And it shows how committed you are to yourself and how committed you are to look after yourself. So congratulations is all I can say.
Imagine having beautiful and radiant skin that is naturally healthy. A powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients, rich in Australian native botanicals, that renews your skin and protects it from harsh elements. Renew Me is gentle yet effective, made for all skin types including sensitive skin. Enhance your natural beauty and skin wellness. A luxurious skincare range that indulges the senses. Order today and rediscover you.
Down just gently as we lift. So don't be pushing like this, don't be sort of doing that sort of thing, but just let your finger push down naturally when you lift. Okay, so just do it with me for the moment. Just place your fingers over the two sides of your brow, place your other finger in the middle, right in the middle, and then lift. And you can see my fingers are just doing this naturally. I'm not pushing up with my two fingers, and I'm not pushing down with my one finger. It's just all happening naturally. Okay, it's a very simple exercise. And don't be pushing too much. Don't use too much muscle effort in this exercise. I don't want you to be dragging the skin back and forth in opposite directions, because that's what will happen. If you push down and you push up with your fingers, if you go into that situation, you'll be dragging the skin and you'll be making it, you can stretch it and do all sorts of things. So just let the exercise and the fingers and the muscles guide. That's all you have to do. And it's not a strong exercise. You can see I'm just doing it gently. And really this is all it is. And really what this exercise is doing, it's exercising the muscles, the little corrugator muscles, and I'll show you the muscles on Dorian. Isn't he gorgeous? G'day, mate. Let me get my little pick here. So what we're doing is exercising this muscle here, which is the corrugator. Very, very strong little muscle. It really packs a punch, that muscle. And here is the procerus, and we're exercising the procerus as well. So what I'm saying, that if you've got your finger on this side and you're pushing down, and then you're bringing your fingers up, then you're messing up those muscles. It's just not going to work. So you just allow the muscle to move by itself, because it's so strong, those muscles, they will move by themselves. Now, the other thing it's doing this exercise is releasing the tension in these corrugator muscles and in the procerus. Now, we hold a tremendous amount of tension, of emotion, anger, all of those things are in these little muscles here. That's why they wrinkle all the time. That's why when we do this, they're wrinkling, and there's a lot of tension and stress in those muscles. So when we're doing this, we're just gently holding it, and we're just gently doing the exercise and releasing it. Okay? That's all we're doing. And that's all you can imagine. Just imagine all of that stress and tension melting away when you do it. And in fact, I feel quite good now, even just a little bit of that. So just imagine that. And what will happen is that the brow will start to relax. Now, as we know, this is a very stubborn, persistent and pesky areas that we all sort of, as we age, we all start to get. And I don't want us to obsess on it, because it gets worse when you start obsessing. But what I want you to do is just think about letting the tension go as you're doing it. You're exercising, but that is the main thought when you're doing that exercise. All right, so I hope that's helped today. Please go ahead and put something in the comments. I get millions of comments now, and sometimes I get a bit overwhelmed with them because I'm only just one person. So if I don't tend to answer, just please don't be upset. Just go back to the video and listen to it again, because I do get overwhelmed with hundreds of comments across the channel. You can imagine there's hundreds of them. But do try, just pop something in if you can, and I'll try to answer if I can. The other thing is, do please subscribe to the channel. When you do, you get all this free coaching and insight from me on how to do the exercises. And the other thing is that there's a link going across for the Facerobics gym. Go ahead, and if you've been thinking about joining, it's a ridiculously cheap price. So if you are thinking about joining, now is the best time to do it, because the prices will be going up as soon as the new site is live. So that's the best time to do it. And if you are a member, when the site goes live, you will be only charged half price. So that's what I'm doing, and that's the way it will be. So that's something to consider now. So have a great day. I hope it's helped. You go ahead and have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.